Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board, Ministry of Ayush, Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority, Indian Air Force, University College of Medical Sciences and GTB Hospital, Dilshad Garden, Delhi, Serious Fraud Investigation Office and Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board invites online applications for recruitment to the following posts under different departments under Government of NCT of Delhi. 551 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Hindi Female, 556 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Hindi Male, 1040 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Natural Science Male, 824 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Natural Science Female, 1167 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Maths Female, 988 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Maths Male, 469 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Social Science Male, 662 posts of Trained Graduate Teacher Social Science Female, 1 post of Trained Graduate Teacher Bengali Male, 434 posts of Assistant Teacher Primary, 74 posts of Assistant Teacher Nursery, 278 posts of Junior Secretariat Assistant LDC, 50 posts of Counselor, 12 posts of Head Clerk, 120 posts of Assistant Teacher Primary and 10 posts of Patwari. Only online applications will be accepted. Applications received through any other mode shall stand rejected automatically. Details of qualification, age limit, fee, etc. are available on the website dssb.delhi.gov.in/current-vacancies/Delhi Subordinate Services Selection Board. Candidates must apply online through the website dssbonline.nic.in. Closing date for submission of online application is up to 24th June 2021 till 11:59 p.m., after which the link will be disabled. Applications received through any other mode would not be accepted and summarily rejected. Further, the date of examinations for the above said post will be intimated separately in due course. Applications are invited in duplicate from eligible candidates for filling up 1 post of Assistant Drug Controller Ayurveda under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. Details are available on the website of this ministry www.ayush.gov.in. Application complete in all respects should reach in the prescribed proforma through proper channel to Shri Abdul Sadiq Khan, Under Secretary, Establishment Division, Ministry of Ayush, Ayush Bhavan, B Block, GPO Complex, INA, New Delhi, within 60 days from the date of publication of the advertisement for this post in employment newspapers. Applications for filling up 1 post of member in the Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority WDRA was invited via vacancy circular in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar on 20th March 2021. The last date of application was 3rd May 2021. In view of the prevailing situation of COVID-19 pandemic, the last date of receiving of application for the said post has been extended for another 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News or Rozgar Samachar. The details of application or application form can be downloaded from the website of this department. Online applications are invited for the courses commencing in July 2022 for grant of Short Service Commission SSC in Flying Branch and Permanent Commission PC and Short Service Commission SSC in Ground Duty, Technical and Non-Technical branches in the Indian Air Force. Online applications are also invited for grant of PC or SSC for NCC Special Entry Scheme for Flying Branch and for Meteorology Entry. Detailed notification is available on website careerindianairforce.cdac.in or afcat.cdac.in. Details on physical or medical standards, educational qualifications and selection procedure are available in the detailed notification on the website. Training will commence in the first week of July 2022 for all courses at Air Force Academy, Dundigal, Hyderabad. The duration of training for flying and ground duty technical branches is 74 weeks and that of ground duty non-technical branches is 52 weeks at Air Force training establishments. PAN card and account in SBI or nationalized bank is mandatory at the time of joining Air Force Academy. Eligible candidates are to register online through separate tabs available for AFCAT entry or NCC special entry or meteorology entry. Candidates eligible for one or more entries are to register separately in each entry. Information given in the advertisement and on the website are only guidelines. In case of any ambiguity, the existing policies, rules and regulations of IAF or Government of India as amended from time to time will be final and binding. Selection in the Indian Air Force is fair and merit-based. Attempt to influence the selection process at any stage is liable to lead to termination of candidature or initiation of service and legal action against the concerned individual. Applications are invited for the post of laboratory technician and laboratory attendant under the ICMR-funded research project in Department of Endocrinology, Center for Diabetes, Endocrinology and Metabolism, University College of Medical Sciences and GTB Hospital, Dilshad Garden, Delhi. 3 posts of lab technician, 3 posts of technician and 1 post of lab attendant. Appointment will be on purely temporary basis initially for 1 year, extendable up to the duration of the project. Age relaxation as per ICMR rules. Details are available on Institute website www.ucms.ac.in. Eligible applicants may submit their application and supporting documents by 18th June 2021, 4 p.m. at demresearch2020@gmail.com. No application will be entertained after this date. Incomplete application will be rejected. Shortlisted candidates will be informed of date and time of written test or interview by email. The closing date for receipt of applications in respect of following vacancies published in Employment News 20th to 26th March 2021 to be filled on deputation ISTC basis in Serious Fraud Investigation Office has further been extended up to 20th June 2021. 1 post of Senior Assistant Director, Customs and Central Excise. Selected candidates will also be eligible for Special Security Allowance at 20% of the basic pay. No deputation allowance shall be admissible along with SSA. All other terms and conditions would remain the same. The particulars of post, eligibility conditions, etc. may be obtained from the website www.sfio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in. Reference is invited to Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, New Delhi Vacancy Circular of even number dated 29th April 2021, under which applications were invited for filling up the post of Joint Advisor or Deputy Advisor in its regional office at Bengaluru on deputation on foreign service terms. The last date for receipt of applications for the above post has been extended up to 20th June 2021. Further details and application form can be obtained from Telecom Regulatory Authority of India website www.tri.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.